Let's make some Thai iced green tea. This is the Thai tea mix that I'm using. You can find it at an Asian market or you can also buy it on Amazon. I'm using a French press. Just add the tea leaves, some boiling water, and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Otherwise it can get a little bit bitter. I'm sweetening mine with sweetened condensed milk, or you can just do sugar, but I love the pretty color it turns once you add the sweetened condensed milk. Go ahead and taste it before you add ice, and you also want to make sure that the tea cools down before you add your ice, so that way all the ice doesn't melt and dilute your tea. You can also add boba to this drink, but also top it off with some half and half evaporated milk, or you could do coconut milk for a dairy-free option. Cheers, you guys. So good and refreshing, perfect on a hot summer day. Adjust the sweetness to your liking. I don't like it that sweet, so just a little bit of that sweetened condensed milk. So good.